Hello guys, once again you're welcome back to Crypto Denzel TV. So guys, please if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment on my videos, and also don't forget to smash the bell icon for more updates whenever I release a new video on how to make money online. So guys, I'll be sharing with you here a newly launched platform which is called bellyMint.com. Don't worry about the link, it's in the description box below. Kindly open my description box so that you could be able to sign up a new account on this platform. So over here guys, let me show you how everything basically works on this platform. So first of all, let me log out and show you how to register a new account on this platform. So I'll log out right now for you guys to see. So I've logged out and let me show you how to register. After clicking on the referral link in my description box, you'll be directed to this page where you click on the sign up button. Then you type in your email over here, you type in your password, your security password, then include any information on your WhatsApp or your Telegram over here. And the invitation code is also important, so you need to include you need to use my referral link so that you could be able to get an invitation code. So I'm already having an account, so I'll just click on the sign in button over here, which I'm going to do it a very real quick thing over here. So I'll just enter my password real quick over here, and I'll click on the sign in button over here. So guys, you just click on the I know button over here. So over here guys, as you can see, my balance is 70 USD because I've already deposited into this platform and I'm making a lot of profit from it. So over here guys, let me show you how everything basically works on this platform. So over here, before you need to even do anything, you need to know the VIP level in which you are. So let me click on the level over here. So when you click on the level, you could see that it comes in deal. We have the deal 1, which will last for a whole year, and for each and every day you'll be making a total profit of $1.50. $1.50 for each and every day guys. For each and every day you'll be making $1.50 for I think almost 2 months. For 2 months you'll be making a total profit of $1.50. And over here guys, we have the deal 2, which you need to use only 100 USDT to unlock this. And remember guys, when you open a new account, you'll be credited with 60 USDT. So over here, meaning you just need to top up with 40 USDT, and you'll be making a total profit of $5.80 each and every day guys, each and every day. So over here with the deal 3, you'll be depositing 170, which they've already credited you with 60 USDT. So meaning you deposit a total of 110 USDT so that you could be able to earn 16 USDT each and every day. And with the deal 4 over here, you deposit a total of 420 USDT, which they've already credited you with 60, and you'll be making a total profit of 52 USDT each and every day for a particular period of time. And guys, the total amount that you'll be making after the time is 3,120 USDT guys. So this platform is really cool and it's really legit. So over here guys, all you need to do after depositing is you need to click on this deposit button. After clicking on the deposit button, you will be directed to this page where you copy this address over here. After copying it, you just need to go back to your Binance or any wallet that you are having at all. Then you will make a deposit right away. And remember, they accept only USDT TRC20. So guys, over here, when after topping up or after depositing, you just need to click on the mission over here. You click on the mission over here. As you can see, my mission has been completed already. For depositing a total amount of 10 USDT, and I got 1.50 USDT over here. And I made a withdrawal over here. So let me click on the finance records over here. As you can see, with my finance records, as you can see, they credited me with registration gift, which was 60 USDT, and I deposited 10 USDT to make it 70 USDT over here. And guys, I've made a withdrawal of 1.50 USDT over here. As you can see, 1.50 USDT. And let me show you guys my withdrawal proof over here guys. So guys, I'll just click on this and you could see that this is my withdrawal record over here. I withdrew a total of 1.50 USDT over here, 1.5 USDT over here, and as you can see over here to 1.50 over here, 1.50 over here, and the time was 15:02:35. And let's check the time over here, guys. When we check the time over here too, you could see that it's 15:03:34 over here, the same time over here. So meaning their withdrawal is also legitimate and everything is working perfectly. So guys, you all need to jump onto this platform so that we could be able to make a lot of money. And remember guys, you can share with your friends and family so that you could be able to earn more and more with this platform over here, guys. So all you need to do first of all is to copy your referral link, share with your friends and family so that you could be able to make a lot of money with this platform over here. So guys, once again, I've done a live deposit and a live withdrawal for you guys to see how legitimate this site is. And tomorrow I'll be making another live withdrawal for you guys. So guys, stay tuned, don't go anywhere, just subscribe, like, and also don't forget to smash the bell icon for more updates whenever I release a new video. Once again, thank you all for watching Crypto Denzel.